Welcome to Aesthetic Physique Academy. If you're serious about building muscle and pushing your fitness routine to the next level, advanced training techniques are essential. These methods help you break through plateaus, optimize muscle growth, and achieve results that go beyond what basic exercises can offer. Here's a comprehensive guide to advanced techniques that can transform your muscle-building efforts. Understanding muscle growth. Muscle growth, or hypertrophy, is a process that occurs when muscle fibers are exposed to stress beyond their usual workload. This stress, typically from resistance training or weightlifting, leads to tiny tears in the muscle fibers. The body then repairs these micro-tears, which causes the muscle fibers to grow thicker and stronger over time, resulting in increased muscle mass. To maximize muscle growth, it's essential to apply continuous stress to your muscles through a principle known as progressive overload. Progressive overload involves gradually increasing the demands on your muscles by lifting heavier weights, increasing the number of repetitions, or reducing rest times between sets. This ensures that your muscles are consistently challenged, promoting further growth and adaptation. By steadily pushing your muscles beyond their comfort zone, you can effectively stimulate hypertrophy and achieve significant muscle development. Progressive overload. Progressive overload is a key factor in muscle growth, requiring you to consistently increase the demands placed on your muscles. This can be done by gradually increasing the weight, frequency, or intensity of your workouts. For example, if you're currently lifting 50 pounds for a particular exercise, aim to increase the weight, number of repetitions, or sets each week. This consistent challenge forces your muscles to adapt and grow stronger over time. By pushing your muscles beyond their usual limits, you stimulate new muscle growth, leading to increased strength and size. Without progressive overload, your muscles will adapt to the current workload and stop growing, making it essential to continually push your limits to see continued progress. Compound exercises. Compound exercises are incredibly effective for building muscle because they work multiple muscle groups at once. These exercises include squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups. Unlike isolation exercises that focus on a single muscle group, compound movements engage several muscles simultaneously, allowing you to lift heavier weights and stimulate more muscle growth. They also improve overall functional strength and coordination. Varying your workouts. Muscle adaptation can occur when you follow the same routine for too long, leading to stagnation in progress. To prevent this, you need to vary your workouts regularly. Change up your exercises, the order in which you perform them, or the type of resistance you use. For instance, if you usually use free weights, try incorporating machines or resistance bands. Alternating between different types of equipment and exercises keeps your muscles guessing and helps promote continuous growth. Using intensity techniques. Intensity techniques are advanced methods that push your muscles beyond their normal limits. Here are some key techniques to incorporate. Drop sets. Perform an exercise until you reach failure, then immediately reduce the weight and continue for more reps. Drop sets exhaust the muscle completely and can lead to increased muscle growth. For example, if you're doing bicep curls, start with a heavy weight, drop to a lighter weight when you can't lift anymore, and continue the set. Supersets. Perform 2 exercises back-to-back with no rest in between. Supersets can be done with exercises targeting the same muscle group, bench press followed by push-ups, or different muscle groups, bicep curls followed by tricep dips. This method enhances workout intensity and efficiency. Pyramid sets. Begin with a light weight and gradually increase the weight with each set while decreasing the number of repetitions. After reaching your heaviest weight, reverse the process by decreasing the weight and increasing the reps. Pyramid sets effectively target different muscle fibers and stimulate growth. Rest-pause training. Lift a weight until failure, then rest briefly, 10 to 15 seconds, and continue with the same weight for additional reps. This technique allows you to push your muscles beyond their usual limits and promote growth. Negatives. Focus on the eccentric, lowering phase of an exercise. Use a heavier weight than usual and take longer to lower it. This emphasizes the eccentric contraction, which can lead to greater muscle growth. For instance, during a bicep curl, take 3 to 4 seconds to lower the weight. Proper nutrition and recovery. Advanced training techniques can only deliver results if they are supported by proper nutrition and recovery. Muscles require adequate fuel to grow, so ensure your diet includes sufficient protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, so incorporate sources like chicken, fish, tofu, legumes, and dairy into your meals. Carbohydrates provide energy for intense workouts, and healthy fats support overall health and hormone production. Aim for a balanced diet that meets your caloric needs and supports muscle recovery. Recovery is equally important. Muscles grow during rest, not during the workout itself. Ensure you get enough sleep each night, ideally 7 to 9 hours, to allow your muscles to repair and grow. Incorporate rest days into your training schedule to prevent overtraining, which can lead to injuries and hinder progress. Active recovery, such as light stretching or low-intensity cardio, can also aid in muscle recovery and reduce soreness. Tracking your progress. To maximize the effectiveness of advanced training techniques, keep detailed records of your workouts. Note the weights you lift, the number of sets and reps, and any observations about your performance. Tracking progress helps you identify trends, assess what's working, and make necessary adjustments. Regular assessments of your muscle growth and strength levels can also help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Maintaining consistency. Achieving significant muscle growth requires not only physical effort but also mental discipline. Stay focused on your goals and be patient with your progress. Muscle growth takes time, and results may not be immediately visible. Consistency is key. Stick to your training routine, maintain a balanced diet, and continue pushing yourself to improve. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. Common mistakes. Even with advanced techniques, mistakes can hinder your progress. One common mistake is using improper form, which can lead to injuries and reduce the effectiveness of your workouts. Always prioritize proper technique over lifting heavier weights. Another mistake is neglecting certain muscle groups, which can create imbalances and limit overall growth. Ensure your routine includes exercises that target all major muscle groups to maintain balanced development. Supplementing your training. While not essential, supplements can complement your muscle-building efforts. Protein powders, creatine, and branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, are popular choices among athletes and bodybuilders. Protein powders can help you meet your protein needs, creatine can enhance strength and performance, and BCAAs can aid in muscle recovery. However, supplements should not replace a balanced diet but rather support it. Different training styles. Finding the most effective training style for your body may require some experimentation. Some individuals respond better to high-volume training, which involves performing many sets and reps, while others may benefit from high-intensity training with fewer sets and reps. Try different styles to determine what works best for you and adapt your routine accordingly. Staying informed and adapting. Fitness is an ever-evolving field, with new techniques and research constantly emerging. Stay informed by reading up-to-date articles, watching educational videos, and consulting with fitness professionals. Be open to adapting your training routine based on new information and personal experiences. Continuous learning and adaptation are crucial for long-term success. In conclusion, training like a pro involves a combination of advanced techniques, proper nutrition, recovery, and mental focus. By incorporating methods like progressive overload, compound exercises, intensity techniques, and varied workouts, you can push your muscles to new levels of growth. With dedication and the right approach, you'll see significant improvements and reach new heights in your fitness journey. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thanks.